The 6 police officers who are facing criminal prosecution for the death of Kianjokoma brothers now want their bodies exhumed and a fresh pathology examination conducted. The officers have told the High Court that they're being charged and judged unfairly in the courts of law and that of public opinion. Olive Burrows reports that leaders still want more sanctions for the officers.
Theirs were senseless deaths that left the public seething with rage over the selective, heavy-handed enforcement of COVID-19 restrictions by police. The arrest of 6 police officers involved in the operation that led to the tragic loss of life was the Director of Public Prosecution's answer to the cry for justice. But now the 6 officers claim that they too are victims of the tragic events that took place on the night of August the 1st.
The 6 are being condemned and hard that they are murderers. That is the fear and the apprehension that we have, that they might be charged for murder, purely to pacify a public that has not gotten the true facts of the event.
The 6 police officers now want the High Court to issue an order for the exhumation of Benson Njirundwiga and Emmanuel Mutura's remains. They claim they were not represented in the pathology examinations.
The bodies of the late to be exhumed so that their advocates and their pathologists, private pathologists, participate.
The officers, who maintain that the brothers died by jumping out of a moving police vehicle and were not beaten to death, also want a public inquest into the circumstances of the deaths before they're required to plead to murder. They've also denied accusations of a cover-up.
On this matter, the police are very clean. They did a fantastic job. They cannot be charged with an excuse that we are using them as the way it's used, ili uwe funzo kwa wengine.
But leaders are still calling for stronger action.
The people in Mathare, they are shareholders. They also deserve protection and fair treatment by their government. We must ask ourselves, how are our security agencies treating the people? Tusikue, we gave ourselves a new constitution, changed the name from Kenya Police Force to Kenya Police Service, but tunaendelea bado kuwa force. Usikue ukiona mtoto labda hana kazi, but your immediate conclusion is that there is a thug.
And following the killing of a tuk-tuk rider and a boda rider in protests over demolitions in Kahawa West on Wednesday, elected leaders have called for police restraint. Olive Burrows, NTV.